Hi, I'm Dick Razik, founder of Koul Tools. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install nylon fuel line onto the barb fitting using the Easy On hose press. In this case, we're going to use the new model 409B. Check this out. Okay, let's take a look at our Nylon Fuel Line Kit. It works with our Easy On hose press tool for push-on hose. It comes with a set of clamps to hold 5/16 and 3/8 line. As you can see, we got a label on each one in case they get separated. The kit also contains a pair of pins for straight fittings and a set of jaws for elbow fittings. Union fittings don't require adapters. We made this custom case to store parts. It also makes it easy to take it with you. Okay, let's see how this works. First of all, we're going to remove the stock clamps and replace it with our nylon fuel clamps. Notice the orientation of the clamps. For straight fittings, all you need to do is clamp the appropriate size pin into the tool's vise and place the fitting over the pin. Okay, to get this nylon fuel line started a little bit easier, I get a pair of needle nose pliers and kind of open it up a little bit. Just give a little better start. Okay, now I'm going to feed it onto the straight fitting and make sure I have enough line sticking out here that's longer than the fitting itself, the barb. And I'm going to push her on now. Just like that. Now we're going to install a union fitting. This is really easy. On unions, you should put the plastic insert here. It helps it hold it steadier. Use the appropriate size for this fitting. To do the angle fittings, the 90-degree angle fittings, you need to switch out the clamps. Before you install the jaws, make sure which side the 90-degree fitting fits in better. There's a lot of variables out there, so just see which one fits best. Okay, now we have the clamps installed. And now we're going to put fitting into the clamp. Line her up so she's nice and straight. I'm going to set the clamps up here so I just have a little bit more hose sticking out than the length of the barb. Assembling these fittings now is a piece of cake. This tool will save you time and frustration. For more information, go to our website, koultools.com. KOULTOOLS.com.